I'm buzzing in today for another Little Spoonfuls. Hello. Bzzz. Oh, wow. Where am I today? I hear buzzing too. What buzzes? Well, I've got the cutest little finger play today. It's the Beehive. We are counting our fingers. We are rhyming. There's some onomatopoeia. Remember that? Bzzz. So there's lots going on here. And also the idea of little bees hiding as they do today in our rhyme. You'll see in just a second. Well, for the toddler set, it's just thrilling when those little bees pop out. So here we go. Here is a beehive. Where are all the bees? Hiding inside where no one sees. I hear something. They're alive. Let's count them as they come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tickle, tickle, tickle. You can even do a little tickle at the end. One more time. Show me your beehive. It's just a little fist like that. Here is the beehive. Where are all the bees? Hidden inside where no one sees. But I hear something. They're alive. Let's count them as they come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simple. See you next time.